Most people think AI voice agents are the future. Wrong. They are already replacing full sales teams, and the people who learn how to build them now will make more in the next 18 months than most people make in 10 years. Here is the crazy part. The businesses paying the most for this tech are not big companies with huge budgets. It is the small ones, dentists, real estate agents, gyms, and plumbers. They pay anywhere between $300 to $5,000 every single month because one AI that never sleeps, never takes a day off, and works 24 by 7 around the clock. So today, I am pulling the curtains back. No theory, no hype. I am going to show you how this industry is exploding, why most people ignore it, and how you can build your first working AI voice agent from the scratch. And by the end of this video, you will know more than 99% of the people selling AI services today. Think about electricity in the 1800s. People were terrified of it. People laughed at it. But the tiny group who understand it build the foundation of the modern world we live in today. This is where we are with the conversational AI right now. According to the Business Wire, the market is on track to surpass $135 billion by 2035. Most people will watch this happen. A few will build inside it. I have been working with agencies around the world who charge anywhere between $300 to $5,000 per month for selling AI voice agents and chatbots. And clients do not complain. They are happy because AI books more appointments, follow up 24 by 7, and never burns out. This is why I am building a full step-by-step beginner to advanced course, a complete path where you will learn to create, deploy, and troubleshoot voice agents and chatbots that real businesses rely on. Before I show you what is inside this course, here is the real question. What happens when every business has one AI answering their calls? Who's going to build them? Who's going to maintain them? Who's going to improve them? The people who watched the videos like this and took early action. Stay with me because the next part is where you start to see how close you are building one yourself. By the time you finish this course, I promise one thing. You will not only know how these systems work, you will be able to build one that runs inside a real business and produces real results. Subscribe to this channel because the full series is dropping one lessons at a time. And if you want the tools, scripts, and behind the scene builds, join my free Skool group. This is where I drop the stuff I can't post on YouTube. Everything you need to build and sell real agents fast. The next video is where we build your first working agent from the scratch. Do not miss it. And see you in the next video.